Hi guys, do you want this smooth reverse on After Effects? Then follow my steps. Get the clip you want to reverse, then add tracker, then add stabilize, motion, then track the nose. Add motion blur and frame blending. Then add an effect called motion tile. Now copy my settings. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose your clip. Then click Layer, Time, then click Enable Time Remapping. Split the layer where the keyframes are. Now delete the last keyframe, then select the first keyframe and press Ctrl plus C, then go to the end of the clip and press Ctrl plus P. Then add a keyframe in the middle and hold to select the keyframe and then copy my graph. Now add an effect called Twixtor Pro and copy my settings. Now select the keyframes and copy my graph. Now press Layer, then New, then click Adjustment Layer. Cut it at the same length of your clip. Now add an effect called S_blurmo curves and copy what I do. Now copy and paste the Z-Disc keyframe, Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus P. Now just copy my graphs. And there you have it. Follow if it helped you guys, and also follow for more tutorials, and also follow my TikTok.